The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. There are two rails in the tray that the end folds of the filter need to be behind in order to be secure. For easy reinstallation, the words on the front of each tray reveal if it is right side up. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.